It was the middle of January, and the weight of midwinter lay heavy on Willie's mind. That wonderful moment when the ice breaks and the rivers start to flow with life and wonder just seemed like a distant dream. Willie did what any ice-locked canoe head would do. It all started out with a beautiful slab of spruce, 7 inches wide and 1.5 inches thick of locally milled, rough-cut goodness. Somewhere in there was a paddle, and Willie was going to find it. Slowly but surely, a paddle started to emerge from the piece of wood. With it came the simple satisfaction of crafting something tangible and real. Each stroke of the plane brought life into clearer focus. The taper of the blade and the gentle curve of the handle, each serving as a quiet rebellion in a loud and fast-paced world. It wasn't perfect, but hey, life's not either. A final wipe down of oil on the paddle signaled the completion of the project. Spring was closer than ever, and the excitement in the air was so thick you could almost taste it. Willie loaded up his trusty red canoe and headed out for the lake to give the shiny new paddle a spin. Well, maybe it was still a little too soon.